Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is on electric boiler. So we got electric installation today to show you, and this particular installation is going to be about how to wire an electric boiler. So this boiler is a flow boiler. Go closely, you can see it's a Potterton Gold boiler. This is a flow boiler, and then you've got an unvented hot water cylinder, which is directly heated by two immersion heaters. So I'm going to show you that there's a lot of guys who don't understand electric boilers. They don't understand electrics about electric boilers. So I'm going to show you what a bad installation is about. So this is going to be about this installation. It's quite bad. So I've been called out to this installation. They're saying that the electric bills are very high. They're using £80 worth of electric in 1 month. So in my investigation, this is what I found. I turned off this switch here. This is the 45 amp switch supply, which is supposed to turn off this boiler here only, and it's supposed to be connected to this boiler only. But what I found, that this switch actually turned off both these two switches here, which are both for the immersion heaters. That's the top one, which is a boost, and that's the overnight one, supposedly. They're all connected together. So that switch, this one here, turns off these two. So they're all connected together. So that 145 amp supply is doing 45 ampere, and these two each basically is 6 kilowatts because they're both on together. There's no timer, there's no provision to be both off or one off, because both these switches, these two, were on. No wonder the electric bill is through the roof, and whoever's connected this didn't know how to wire up an electric boiler and never realised that these two should be on a separate circuit. These two should be wired directly to the consumer unit and not on the same supply as this one. Now, if you want to know more about electric boilers, you need to subscribe to my Master the Basics program, and you'll learn more about electric boilers, how to install them, how to fix them, and fault finding. So I just want to bring to your attention the potential fire hazard, what could have happened here. So if you look at this unit here, the electric boiler at 6 kilowatt. So you've got 3 kilowatt here and 3 kilowatt here. So you've got 12 kilowatts basically being drawn from these points. So this is the two lives for the two elements, and this one is for the boiler. Now just think, if that was a 9 or 12 kilowatt boiler, on this circuitry it would have been Chernobyl meltdown and a potential fire. So as I said, very, very dangerous if you don't understand electric boilers, how they work, and the potential dangers. The other issue as well, if you look at this cable here, that's the feed coming in, that's 10 mil, but the feed going out to the boiler is not 10 mil, so it's also undersized on the cabling, so this has to be changed to 10 mil as well. Now regarding unvented cylinder, we've got a few issues on that as well. So you can see the temperature relief valve going out. Now you can see there's no tundish, so that's a defect, doesn't apply to G3 regs. Also, if you look up here, that's the expansion vessel, that's connected in the wrong place. That should come off at this point here. That's what that's for. So that's where it should come off for the expansion vessel. So there's a few things not really right with, well, absolutely not right with this system. And you can see guys need proper training. I don't think this guy's been on an unvented course. So he definitely needs training in this area. And electrics, as we said already. Now I'm going to show you what we need to do to rectify the problem. So in my bit of investigation, I found this other switch here. Said to the customer, what's this one for? He said he doesn't know. So what I did, this basically is for the immersion heater. And this is the supply which needs to connect these two. So what I did to find out, I went to the consumer unit and done some investigation. I'll show you what I did. So basically what I did here, I looked at these circuit breakers, and basically this is the off peak one, so I switched that off like that, and then I went to the switch. So you can see that's off now, so that's why I know that that's what it should be on. So what we're going to do is change this over, and then we're going to put a new economy 7 timer at the side here. We're going to wire that into the economy 7 timer, and then we're going to take these cables out of here, bring them into this economy 7 timer here, wire that in, connect these into this timer here, and then that'll work independently, and it'll give them that economy 7 timer function that they can use that for the lower tariff. And then this will save a lot more electric on the consumption on the hot water. That won't be drawing as much current, because it's drawing a lot of current through these cables, and then that should make it a lot more economical for the customer. So if you want to, like I said, if you want to learn more about electrics and electric boilers and how to work, floor boilers, unvented cylinders, all types of electric boilers, subscribe to my channel, which you'll see a link below. You can find out more about mastering the basics about heating systems, boilers and controls. So that's going to be the end of this video. Hope to see you on the next one. Any comments? Glad to hear from you. So that's it from me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.